Tradition shapes the future. Established in 1965, Kyungnam College of Information and Technology is Busan's premier vocational college. KIT founders, Dr. Seong-man Jang and Executive Chair, Dong-soon Park, believed in creating a college that designs the future rather than one which reflects the past. Based on their educational philosophy, we have faithfully applied the 4 academic principles of diligence, independence, cooperation, and faith. With over 135,000 graduates and approximately 5,000 students currently enrolled, KIT is the largest vocational college in Busan. Kyungnam College of Information and Technology is a community college dedicated to serving the local community by providing lifelong education to adults of all ages and technical education to international students, thereby fulfilling its responsibility to the region. Kyungnam College of Information and Technology is constantly innovating new forms of student-centered education. State-of-the-art facilities and an excellent faculty offer students a high standard of education. Kyungnam College of Information and Technology receives substantial support from the South Korean government. We undertake various educational projects in collaboration with the government and have been granted over $5 million in national budget support. This generous endowment provides numerous benefits to our students. Kyungnam College of Information and Technology is committed to providing the best learning environment. We have equipped our campus with a reading cafe, study lounges, a dormitory with accommodations for 954 students, a gym, and a swimming pool, ensuring that students can focus on their studies in a convenient and supportive setting. Kyungnam College of Information and Technology is advancing as a global university that communicates with the world. KIT is pursuing joint development of education programs with community colleges in the United States. Furthermore, we are committed to collaborating on internationalization projects with American colleges to become a community college that represents Korea to the fullest extent possible. We have established sister relationships with 100 universities in 14 countries, including the United States, Japan, China, and Vietnam. We operate a variety of international exchange programs. Kyungnam College of Information and Technology offers a residential study abroad program which provides comprehensive support for international students, covering everything from entry into Korea to Korean language education, cultural education, degree programs, employment, and settlement. Recently recognized by the Ministry of Education of the Republic of Korea as a national exemplary case, KIT is set to receive policy and financial support. Through agreements with leading companies in Korea, we have established a system that enables international students to secure employment. With KIT's unique residential study abroad program, we are opening a new paradigm in studying abroad in Korea. Building on our tradition and reputation as the first vocational college in Busan, we are a community college that opens the future through innovation. The doors of Kyungnam College of Information and Technology are open to those who are ready to challenge the future